Some animals survive extreme temperatures that would instantly kill most other living creatures on Earth. The tardigrade, tiny and unassuming, can endure radiation, dehydration, freezing, and even the vacuum of space. Certain desert beetles survive months without water, extracting moisture directly from morning fog or dew. Camels store fat in humps, not water, allowing survival in desert heat for days. Kangaroo rats live in arid regions, obtaining water exclusively from the seeds they eat. Polar bears thrive in sub-zero Arctic conditions, their thick fur and fat layer protecting them. Emperor penguins endure Antarctic winters, huddling together while waiting for their chicks to hatch. Crocodiles can survive months without food, slowing metabolism while waiting for prey or favorable conditions. Snakes enter a state of brumation during winter, surviving weeks without significant energy expenditure. Some fish survive being frozen solid, thawing and resuming normal life in spring. The wood frog can survive complete freezing of its heart and body tissues. Certain bacteria survive extreme acidity, thriving in volcanic vents with temperatures over hundreds degrees Celsius. Sharks withstand pressure thousands of meters deep, with bodies adapted to crushing underwater environments. The Arctic ground squirrel hibernates at sub-zero temperatures, dropping its body temperature below freezing. Some jellyfish achieve biological immortality, reverting to earlier life stages repeatedly, defying natural death. Desert reptiles burrow underground to escape sun, conserving moisture and regulating body temperature efficiently. Some insects enter cryptobiosis, pausing all metabolic activity until conditions become favorable again. Camels' red blood cells resist dehydration, circulating oxygen efficiently despite extreme heat and dryness. Certain extremophiles live inside volcanic rocks, surviving radiation, heat, and toxic chemicals simultaneously. Alaskan wood frogs produce natural antifreeze, preventing ice crystal formation inside vital organs. Cockroaches survive radiation doses lethal to humans, demonstrating unmatched cellular repair mechanisms. Crocodiles tolerate low oxygen underwater for hours, slowing heartbeat and conserving energy meticulously. Some bacteria survive decades in salt crystals, awakening when water returns to their environment. Arctic cod live under ice in near-freezing waters, with antifreeze proteins protecting their tissues. Some bats survive months without food during hibernation, relying entirely on stored fat reserves. Certain deep-sea fish withstand enormous pressures where their bodies would implode elsewhere. Kangaroo rats avoid water loss entirely by producing extremely concentrated urine daily. Tardigrades survive outer space experiments, enduring conditions beyond earthly life possibilities. Some amphibians survive droughts by encasing themselves in mud cocoons for extended periods. Extremophile microbes colonize toxic environments, thriving where most life forms cannot exist naturally. These incredible survival strategies reveal evolution's ingenuity and adaptability across Earth's harshest environments. Animals survive extreme conditions using combinations of physical, behavioral, and metabolic adaptations. Scientists study these species to understand limits of life and potential applications for humans. Some survival strategies inspire medical advances, cryopreservation techniques, and space travel research. The resilience of extremophiles challenges assumptions about life's fragility and environmental tolerance. Survival in impossible conditions demonstrates nature's unmatched creativity and problem-solving abilities. Observing these animals teaches humans lessons about endurance, patience, and adaptability. Extreme survivors often rely on patience and timing more than raw strength or aggression. Many species coordinate social behaviors to endure harsh conditions collectively, ensuring mutual survival. Adaptations can include hibernation, metabolic slowdown, structural changes, and chemical protection mechanisms. Some species suspend life functions entirely, waiting for more favorable conditions to resume activity. The study of these animals informs astrobiology, suggesting life could exist in extreme planets. These extreme survivors inspire fascination, reminding us life persists even in seemingly impossible environments. Humans remain limited by environmental extremes, while nature's creatures adapt creatively to survive. Extreme animals survive both natural disasters and human-induced environmental changes more effectively than expected. Their persistence shows the extraordinary interplay between evolution, environment, and biological innovation. Each species demonstrates a unique combination of traits enabling survival against overwhelming odds. Life on Earth proves adaptive intelligence can manifest through survival rather than cognition alone. Extreme survivors encourage curiosity, research, and awe for the natural world's ingenuity. These creatures remind us that life's limits are far beyond human imagination and understanding.